for 5 million tons per annum handling of coal. 2 berths of land 450 mm. June 1993, feasibility study was awarded. The Prime Minister was Mr. Narsimha Rao of Congress. RFP was issued on 3/11/1995. The government was again Congress, Narsimha Rao. Document was signed in 1999 when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was there. Document signing procedure is an routine procedure after you have completed the tender. ते तुका जर तू कळना आसत एक तरी ताका विचार नाल्यार दिगंबराक विचार हांव कितें सांगतलें. Once letter of acceptance is given, the procedure is complete, then the formalities has to happen. The formality was, however, completed during Vajpayee's time. This is Mrs. Southwest Port. Second project is still wonderful. Date of issue of RFQ is 28/4/2008. UPA 2, government at Central. Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister and Coal Minister also. Date of receipt of bids was 30/6/2009. Date of selection of concessionaire 4/8/2009. Note this date, 4/8/2009. Date of issue of letter of acceptance 7/8/2009 in 3 days. Concession signing date 22/9/2009. I am purposely giving these dates because the letter by Digambar Kamath is 9th November 2009. After everything was completed, he wrote, in fact he has written there, recently port has entered into an agreement with Adani Marmagaon Port Terminal Private Limited. I hope this is same Adani, not different. This is, as you call, BJP's close person. He has got all orders during your time. Date of construction, commencement of construction 15/5/2010. Modi was neither Prime Minister nor in the state of Goa we had BJP government. These were all works awarded during Congress time to Adani. कोणाचो फ्रेंड जालो तो? आमचो फ्रेंड जालो.
वो consent दिला. Reduction in handling capacity by 25%. हेचेर Chief Minister उलोवंक ना. Reduction in handling capacity.
परमिसिबल लिमिट आहा पळय.
परमिसिबल
त्या भितर हाडले की जालें न्हय. कोल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल म्हणजे कितें? It has to be below the, it should be good or satisfactory at least.
Import कमी करपाचो. 25% कमी केले जाले.
फुडल्या 2-3 महिन्या भितर हाजेर कारवाई करून we will see that they don't exceed the limits.
Immediate केल्ले तेजो 1 टन एक्स्ट्रा जावचो ना. So some monitoring mechanism till that 3-4 months has to be followed. The Honorable CM करचे.
Pollution Control Boardचे ते आयकना आसत दर तूं जाल्यार I promise you I will take up the issue with central government and ensure that they don't operate beyond the limit.
FIR can be lodged.
They have already acted. They have filed cases, criminal cases. ताका already notice issue जाल्ली. अरे आयक मरे ताका notice issue High Court has given them 2 weeks. मागीर म्हणजे ते 2 वीक रावचो पडटलो न्हय. 30 तारखेक सोंपता 2 वीक.
माननीय सभासद बाब रवी नाईक हांच्यांनी मांडलेले रेझोल्युशन युनिनमसली पास करता. सगळ्यांनी